You don't have nails, my guy. Let's do this thing.
You wanna know how I feel?
Oh, it's a TV. Sorry.
It's matching my outfit. Oh no.
Oh, don't say no. That is cute.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Okay. Oh, I love the color. It's ladish. Happy birthday to me. Oh, now I'm using a C class.
No, graduated.
It's now a C class. No. I thought my phones were going to share the charger. This is the same size phone.
Yes, the same size, but that one is bigger.
Yeah, but this
And
one is
better.
16. Yeah.
The bigger,
this one
the
is
better.
14, so yeah.
Okay,
I love the color.
it's still ndozinonetsakanavanhu kutenga mafoni masecond hand. Now they are saying shishang. They are still greeting you.
You as well last year, but this one is saying bonjour. Why is it saying
It's greeting you in with hello. It's greeting you in all the languages.
Really?
Maybe you can just swipe up to skip the greeting part. We don't have time.
Okay.
No.